Hi everyone, my name is Dianna and I am a teaching artist with Opening Act. So today for the Opening Act for All, we are going to be looking at an activity that you can do with younger siblings, younger cousins, younger kids. So if you're at home and you're having to take care of them but still want to fit some improv in, this is the perfect activity for you. Working with younger kids is all about imaginative play. All you need is a kid and some pieces of paper. I've cut mine up into strips. You could tear them, you could get them into strips however you want them, and a pen to write some stuff with. I will be demonstrating it with my niece, who is about 2.5, so you're gonna see the very simplified version, but I'll talk you through some of the adjustments you can make for older kids. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to take our strips of paper and we're going to write some stuff out on it. I already have some things pre-written here, and I'm picking things that I know my niece knows what they are. If you have, if you're doing this with older kids, then they can help you with this. They could even write some of the things out themselves, and a 4 or 5-year-old, even if they can't write it, they can help give you the ideas. Layla's not there yet, so I'm doing this ahead of time. So I wrote out mad, scared, excited, happy, sad. So emotions, she knows those emotions, and she also loves animals. So I've written out horse, llama, she loves llamas, tiger, cat, lion, dog, and bear. We're gonna fold them up. We're gonna put them in a bowl, and then I'm gonna let Layla pick the things out of the bowl, and then we're gonna play them. 4 steps to imaginative play. Scared is the one that I have right here. First, we wanna get it into her face. So I'm gonna ask her to make a scared face. Then I'm gonna ask her to make a scared body. And then I'm gonna ask her what someone might say when they're scared. So we go from face to full embodiment to what does someone say. And then this might be more advanced than she can do. We'll see when it happens. Then we're gonna see if we can have a conversation. This is where the improv comes in. So once you have a sense of the kid said something that happens when they're scared, or what someone might say when they're scared, what they might be scared of, then you can really start to play an improv. How do we engage their imaginations? How do we get them to play with us? How do we get some improv in while we do that? So this activity, it can be used from age 2, like all the way up to age 9, 10, when people are like really ready to start improving. That's Layla. Go ahead, pick another one. All right, let's see what it says. It says bear. Layla, can you show me what face a bear makes? And what sound does a bear make? That's a great bear face. And Layla, what do bears like to eat? Ooh, they like to eat like that, and they really like to eat fishes. Yum, yum, yum. And fishes like to jump out of the water like this. And bears like to try to catch the fishes by going like this. Roar, roar, roar. Can you try to catch the fishes with me? What does the mommy bear say to the baby bear? Yeah, and what does the baby bear say to the mommy bear? Love you, mommy. I love you, mommy. Oh, very nice. Okay, let's pick another one. Ooh, kitty cat. Layla, what sound does a cat make? That's right, and they go like this with their face. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Oh, and they really like to go nappy time. That's right, they really like to sleep.
No. You.
I'm going nappy time. They like to go meow, meow.
Snacky.
Oh, and it's time for Snacky? Okay, let's eat Snacky like a cat. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. What should the cats do next? they do next? They should go where? They should go to the baby? Wait, the cats have a baby? Oh my goodness, where's the baby? Right there? Oh my goodness, go get the cat's baby. Oh, good job. And pick one more. Ooh, I think you're gonna like this one. Layla, this one is a lion. What sound do lions make?
No, that's a baby.
This is a baby? Oh, it's a baby? Is it a baby kitty cat? What do we do with babies? Can we rock the baby? Rock the baby in the treetop. What else do we say to babies? Do we say, shh, it's okay? What's your baby's name?
Harry.
What's your baby brother's name?
Liam.
Liam. Okay, and say good night, baby. And give the baby a kiss. Mwah. Good job. High five, Layla. As soon as you get this, if there's a face or a pose that you really like, go ahead and take a picture, share it with us on the social medias, Opening Act for All on Instagram. We would love to see what you're doing. We would love to see how you're engaging with improv at home, how you're getting your little siblings involved in improv, how you're getting your cousins involved in improv. If you're a parent, how are you getting your kids involved in improv? We really want to make this for everyone. So snap a picture and share it with us. Have a great day, everyone. Bye. Go do some imagination work.